Alright, now today is Tuesday, July 21st, one day after I finished Insanity Weather 7. At the time of filming this, I don't know if this would be Insanity Weather 8 or Chaotic Weather, whatever the fuck. But this upcoming severe weather event looks pretty significant. NWSRLA just tweeted, heavy rain, flash flooding, severe storms, all possible over the next several days. Please be prepared. Seek shelter if strong storms approach, and never drive through areas where water covers the road. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. And this overview thing, the risk for, I'm not reading all that, but the main thing I saw was flood watches will likely be issued for portions of the state in the coming days. And our excessive rainfall outlook, fuck. I'm not particularly in the moderate, but I mean it's a day 3 outlook and a day 2 outlook, so something could change. And all I will say is that this is some much needed drought relief. If we just go to Alert WX, which is a really good app. Shit's frozen. I wonder if anybody else experiences that issue. Okay, I don't care about that new message. I might join that Discord actually. If we go to day 2 outlook, tomorrow, Wednesday, we have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms. However, one thing that makes this different than like any other slight risk this year, shittings, and then obviously a 15% wind and no hail. I'm sure we'll get some quarter-sized SVRs, and yeah. This in combination with a strong mid-level flow and a resulting strong deep layer shear will support potential for a few organized storm/clusters capable of producing damaging winds and perhaps a tornado. Highest confidence in its potential will extend from the Carolinas to southern Delaware. So, yeah. Now, this is day 2, so I'm really hoping we get a 5% in there. Or fuck it, even an enhanced risk. Because, I mean, the last good severe weather event was March 16th, and that shit busted. We have not had enhanced risk this year. Probably because of this fuck-ass El Nino. But, I mean, yeah, this week looks to be pretty significant. And if we check one more thing, if we go to outlooks, oh, there it is. Yeah, much of the state is still in a bad drought. Now, I will say, some areas did get some good relief. Like, I'd say the Smithfield area. Smithfield definitely got some good relief with those flash flood warnings and attack of DFFWs. And we've got a whole ass severe weather outbreak ongoing up north. But I mean, in terms of where the actual moderate risks are, which if we look, right there and much of right there. So yeah, much needed rain. However, I definitely will say the Winston-Salem and just a Triad area needs more rain. But, I mean, yeah, this severe weather event and rainfall events definitely seem to be... Was that just issued? No. So, yeah. I guess just cut to Wednesday.
Receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers
I really don't know why they decided to continue with the weekly.
Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Pearson, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rowan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system.
Tornado warning for southeastern Pittsylvania County, southwestern Halifax County until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:36 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Elmo or near Ingram, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include South Boston, Halifax, Turleyville, Scottsburg, Cluster Springs, Elmo, and Virgil. Line up. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on X.
So yeah. First one on today is a tornado. FFW extension. What the fuck? I don't want.
Doppler radar continues to indicate training thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the
I want
area.
KHB 31.
Between 2 and 4.5 inches of rain have fallen.
Shit.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks. streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage
and low-lying areas. Some locations will experience flash flooding include
Greensboro,
Winston-Salem, High Point,
Thomasville, Kernersville, Clemens, McLeonsville, Huntsville, Louisville, Archdale, Summerfield, Trinity, and Knox. Walkertown, Pleasant
Knox.
Garden, Jamestown, Liberty, Oak Hollow Marina, Colfax, and Sedge Garden. Turn around.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. With flood deaths to current vehicles.
Repeating,
A flash flood warning has been extended.
until 4:45 a.m. for the following counties.
Jesus
North Carolina,
Christ.
Davidson, Forsyth,
Yeah.
Guilford, and Randolph.
I think we're pulling an all-nighter.
Here is a special
Can I get any good channels?
What? Flash flooding miles per hour. Chance here is 85 degrees. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio,
Ooh.
all hazards. Station KHQ31. This transmitter serves the Cape Fear area, broadcasting at a frequency of 162.550 megahertz from Winnebo, North Carolina. For detailed weather information for your location, including extended forecasts and additional observations, visit the National Weather Service Wilmington's website at www.weather.gov/ILM. The coastal waters of
Okay. Well, I got KHB31's call sign. So that was kind of cool. They only do that like once every like 30 minutes or something. Alright, y'all. It is 1:08 in the morning. This shit just keeps getting fucking worse. There's already another line of storms sweeping across here, and then another line that'll come through there. And who knows where this one near Lexington is. It's probably gonna move right into Greensboro. I mean, this is just fucking ridiculous. And we've got just random ass pop-up storms just firing off of Wilson County, just like pew, pew, pew. It's just fucking ridiculous. Should probably check GSP radar or the Blacksburg radar. Yeah, it just shows a shit ton amount of storms just moving into the triad. It is 2 o'clock in the morning. There's some random pop-up storm. It's piercing like very few lightning strikes. It just stopped. I'm not so concerned about this, but more concerned about this. They may need to do something. I mean, this flash flood warning's still in effect until 4:15. It is currently 2:06. So, yeah. There better be something good out of this night, because I am fucking tired. Yo, this is an oh-shittings moment. I don't know if it's just me, but growing up in North Carolina, storms that would always occur around like this time, 2:30 a.m. It's just like nighttime storms are just more powerful. Okay, in Wilmington, see, like, you don't get this type of thunder during the day. And the storm that's doing this, it's in fucking Wilson Mills. Or I guess, Clayton. And, it is headed right for me. So, yeah, I'm fucked. And this storm is producing some rainfall. I mean, it's just lightning after lightning. Bingo. Yeah, if I beep with the lightning detector, and like now it's gonna beep again in my room. Yeah, there's no way to shut it up. You know, after 10 strikes, it mutes itself for like 2 hours. The Weather Protection Center just posted. Fuck. Damn. It's like just right on spot too. So yeah, we'll see how this. Oh, it just shifted. Yeah. Alright, y'all. It's now 2:38. I still have 5 strikes, so it'll still continue beeping. This storm is moving faster than I had anticipated. It's east to northeast at 32 shut fuck up miles per hour. Sanya. Let's just make sure. What the fuck is that noise? So, my launch pad area. I don't think it's gonna do anything. Yeah, it's getting close. I think it's actually weakening. Oh my god, can that thing shut up? I'm sure if I like go look out like a side window, I can see the lightning. I'm rest assured this storm should bring some heavy rain. Damn. See, I think the strongest part of it is like right here. I wonder if this thing's gonna get like special weather statement issued. It certainly looks like a pain in the ass. Especially around like right here. It just looks like a hook. And oh, never mind. The hook is gone. It noodled its caboodle. But I mean, the storm is moving northeast, so like, it might not be this part that hits. It's probably gonna be more like around this part. God damn. Should I risk it for a biscuit? Should I go look out a window? I mean, it's almost 3 o'clock in the fucking morning. I really don't know why I'm staying up for this event. I'm just waiting to see what they'll do with this, even though it expires in 2 hours. So, yeah. Selma's about to get fucked. There's also this just strange blob over Wilson. And it's been there for quite some time. So yeah, it's 2:44. It's here. It's about to go from like 0 to 100. I mean, I'd say the worst part of the storm is like the heaviest rainfalls near Wilson Mills and the Johnson County Airport. I mean, the strongest in terms of lightning is like right here. And, I'm just now realizing this shit ain't hitting. Like, the full impact isn't hitting for like 30 more minutes. Okay, the rain is getting heavier. I'm like not trying to leak my address. There's like a one yellow blip. Damn. Oh hey, there's a lightning strike just to my north. Raleigh, what the fuck? Raleigh, dude, Raleigh. Dude. Dude. What the fuck? Bro.
Until 3:30 a.m. and 2:47 a.m.
Bro. Tornado. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. It's too possible. Oh my. I'm shaking. Oh my. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. Dude, oh my god, I'm actually shitting my pants. Oh my. Oh my god, I'm actually shitting my pants, dude. I swear to god, if we get a goddamn tornado warning. I'm like shaking. Oh my god. Dude, you're shitting me right now. You're fucking with me, dude. Oh my god, dude. God damn it, dude. Alright, it is 4 o'clock in the morning now. Some updates. The flash flood warning has been canceled. This severe thunderstorm did not produce a tornado, but rather some very big lightning. And yeah, we've still got some flooding concerns along the line. And I am fucking tired.
Warning for Petite County,
Midnight.
northeastern North Carolina,
Lows in
southwestern Bibb County in northeastern North Carolina, northwestern Harrisburg County in northeastern North Carolina, southeastern County in northeastern North Carolina
until 9:15 a.m. At 6:06 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 1/2 and 2 1/2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 1/2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ahoskie, Rich Square, Allender, Woodland, Winton, Cofield, Powellsville, Ruxoble, Harrodsville, Union, Kelford, Lasker, St. John, Poortown, Earleys, Millennium, Manola, Proctor's Corner, Conritza, and Brantley's Grove. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using X at Wakefield. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Bertie and Northampton. This is
Washington.
Southern Granville County, Orange County, until 11 a.m. At 6:53 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain will continue to move across the warned area.
Jesus.
Between 1 and 2 inches of rain has already fallen over much of the area, with an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain likely to produce flash flooding.
Okay, Raleigh.
Hazard: flash flooding caused by showers and thunderstorms.
Alright, bro.
Source: radar and automated gauges.
Ain't that
Impact:
serious.
flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, as well as other poor drainage and
And low-lying areas.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Durham, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Hillsborough, Creedmoor, Pittsboro, Siler City, Carrboro, Mebane, Haw River, Swepsonville, Alamance, and Stanton. This includes the following frequently flooded locations.
Alright.
Highway 15501 Business in Durham, Chapel Hill Boulevard, Hillendale Road in Cumberland Creek, Coleman Road in Interstate 85, West Club Boulevard between Hillendale Road and Guess Road, South. Roxborough St. Anna Durham Freeway, Estes Drive, Camelot Gutter, and Clement Gutter along Bowling Creek, South Estes.
Raleigh, you're gonna hit the 2-minute mark.
Hook Creek and Foxwood Drive, Eastgate Shopping Center, and Franklin St. near Dobbins
Oh
Drive.
my god.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Be aware of your surroundings
They
and
do not drive on flooded roads. Are they gonna hit it?
Repeating, a flash
Probably
flood
not.
warning has been issued
Until
until 11 a.m. for the following
counties
counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Chatham, Durham, Granville, and Orange.
So close though. Sunyan.
International. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Franklin County, southeastern Granville County, Wake County until 10:15 a.m. At 7:18 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen.
Oh god damn it,
Additional
Raleigh, don't you
rainfall
dare.
amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by
showers and thunderstorms.
Okay.
Source, radar and automated gauges.
Alright.
Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas.
We also
highways,
have
streets, and underpasses, as well
a
as other
special
poor
weather
drainage
statement
and low-lying areas.
that I am in,
Some locations that will experience
except,
flash flooding include Raleigh, Cary, Lewisburg,
the operator
Wake
has
Forest,
indicated
Garner,
weak
Ziegler,
rotation.
Franklinton, but RAU International, Apex, Morrisville, Knightdale, Wendell, Roseville, Youngsville, Fernald, Falls Lake Boat Ramp, Falls Lake State Rec Area, Falls Lake and Pilot. Turn around.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
Be aware of
Your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeat, a flash flood warning has been issued until
10:15 a.m. for the following
counties in North Carolina.
Franklin, Grandville, and Wake. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a flash flood warning for Southern Chatham County, Central Harnett County, Lee County, Warwick County, Southwestern Wake County.
Brian.
At 9:28 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
Oh.
Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing
Or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Source, radar and automated
Gauges.
impact. Flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cary, Sanford, Wilmington, Carthage, Garner, Fuquay Marina, Antier, Goldston, Apex, Holly Springs, Westbury Pines, Broadway, Robbins, Bass, Cameron, Gum Springs, Tramway, Cumnock, Lemon Springs, and Olivia. Turn around. Don't drown areas, highways, streets, flash flood warning for vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings. Some locations drive on flooded roads caused by thunder. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until noon for the following counties in North Carolina: Chatham, Harnett, Lee, Moore, and Wake. Flash flooding include Cary, Sanford, Wilmington, Olivia. From the National Weather Service for the following counties: Durham, North Carolina. Flood watch remains in effect through this evening. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. And Olivia. Where? Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until noon for the following counties in flooding of rivers and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Waves of showers and thunderstorms with heavy. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wayne County, northern Sampson County, south central Johnston County until 11:15 a.m. At 10:31 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Godwin, or 18 miles east of Fayetteville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton Road, Ponson, and Skippy's Corner.
Skippy's Corner.
This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 336 and 355. The main alert for a
Possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. You spot a tornado going once into the basement or a small central room in a sturdy structure.
For your protection,
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
repeating.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina:
Johnston, Sampson, and Wayne. Here is a special mention.
That is our second tornado possible SVR today. Another tornado passed by.
Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Eastover, Redmond, Orchardville, and Bender. This includes Interstate 95 between mile markers 58 and 46. Remain alert for
We're passing by
possible
tornadoes. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon for the following counties: Sampson, North Carolina. Doppler radar indicates heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are expected over the area.
So many damn or possible SVRs.
Central Moore County, Wayne County until 3 p.m. Until 11:40 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 2 inches are possible in
In
the
a warm
warned area.
area. Where's that that's been swirling? Where's swirling caused by thunderstorms? It's like a fucking hurricane. They usually issue flash flood warnings this big during hurricanes. Experience flash flood in food. Ah, yeah. One drive when encountering flooded roads. Domestic vehicles. This means you do not drive on flooded roads. What the fuck? Why?
Flash flood warning is canceled for southern Chatham, central Harnett, Lee, Moore, and southwestern Wayne counties. A flood advisory will replace this flash flood warning. Please continue to heed remaining road closures. A flood watch remains in effect until 12 a.m. Friday for a portion of central North Carolina. A flood watch remains in effect until 9 a.m. Friday for a portion of central North Carolina. Here is a special
Okay.
message from